Gala games at the time of this recording is getting rejected within our key area of resistance between the 0.02792 and the 0.03007, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart and above our key area of support above the 0.026. And on today's video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. We started a very impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked above the $0.03184, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.023, the 0.02438 and the 0.02018, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though we saw a pullback into the upper side of the target area, which gave us a reaction to the upside, giving us this bounce that we can see at the moment. And on my last video, I said that there are high chances that whatever is playing out over here in this bounce is a corrective structure, where we can term this as a corrective structure in a wave A, and the bounce is playing out in a wave B before we can finally see one more new low in the wave C, fully maximizing our yellow target area in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2. And I gave you the minimum target areas for this wave B by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave A to the low of the wave A. And I say to you that we need to see Gala games give us a rejection within the area between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.5. And you can all see that at the time of this recording, we have been stuck within that area over here. And if by any chance we get a total rejection of this target area, then I will be expecting one more breakdown move into this yellow target area in a wave C to fully maximize the yellow target area, give us a low for the second wave before we can finally bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3. We also need to have in mind that we can gain that bullish momentum and manage to get back above this red target area over here, and also manage to break above the significant highs we made above the $0.03184. And the moment that plays out, then that will be suggesting a more bullish case scenario, and also suggest that we have a low in place for this wave 2, and whatever will be playing out is an impulse to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.04769. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the daily chart, on the daily chart I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.08702, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a pullback in the formation of a wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, though that has been challenged by the fact that at some point Gala games gave us a break to the lower side of the fib level 0.88, which is a very significant key area on the Fibonacci's that we need to continue holding above in these corrective structures in wave 2s, but you can see that at the time of this recording we have managed to bounce back above the fib level 0.88, above the 0.02139, and at the time of this recording we are now holding above the fib level 0.78. And if we continue with this bullish momentum, that means that we have a low in place for the second wave on the low that we made on the 5th of August, and that will also get confirmed the moment we get a 5-wave structure to the upside. And the moment we have a low in place for the second wave, that means that in the next coming days or maybe weeks, we are going to see an impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3 that I have right here on the charts. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 possibly taking us back above the $0.2 in the next coming weeks. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.